Write 3x squared minus 6 root 2x plus 7 in the form of a brackets x minus p all squared plus q. Right, so if we write down our quadratic expression, which is 3x squared minus 6 root 2x plus 7. So what we're going to do, we're going to group these two here and just factorise out a 3. So that will become 3x squared minus 2 root 2x. We're not going to factorise out an x, just to factorise out a 3. So we've just got 1x squared here. We've still got the plus 7 at the end. Now what we do is we look at this term here and take half. So 2 root 2 divided by 2 gives me root 2. So we now get 3 brackets x minus root 2 all squared. Now in doing this process, we've still got the plus 7. In doing this process, we have added in 3 times minus root 2 squared. So 3 times minus root 2 squared. Well, minus root 2 squared. So if you take a square root of a number and add and then square it, you end up with the same number. So basically, we're going to just have 3 times 2 there. The sign will become positive when you square it, which we have added in 6. So if we have added in 6 in doing this process, then here we need to take 6. So our expression will become 3x minus root 2 all squared plus 1, 7 minus 6. And that's now in the format of ax minus p all squared plus q. A will be 3, p will be root 2, and q will be equal to 1. So this has been a video to show you how to complete the square when you have a surd as one of the coefficients, the surd in this case being root 2. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.